Yeah, we just built an IoT based smart control. So instead of me going to the switch, you can point the switch. Let's look at the switch here. So instead of me going to the switch to turn my lights on and off, I will use my mobile phone. You can see the app. I will use it to turn it off. Then this is the board that the device is on. So let's give it a test. Let's turn off this. Wow. So maybe let's turn on the stage. Turn off the stage. Wow, the stage is off. So those blue lights. So these blue lights. Let's turn them off. The switch. Then let's turn back the stage. So that's a smart device we built. So no, let me make everywhere so bright. So it's bright now. So we are going home. So let's turn off everything. Off, 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 off.